Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. We want to take a look at the Doge wave count. Doge has broken out of this price channel to the upside. Has it bottomed? Unclear. Okay, we can't say for sure, but we've been tracking here a diagonal pattern to the upside. I would like to show you a couple of wave counts. Okay, so we can obviously say that the market has bottomed. The problem is if I say the market has bottomed and the bear market is complete, then it leaves the question, do we do it here? That's possible. Not ideal. I would have to count the move down as a very, very messy structure. And then we're dealing basically with a diagonal pattern. That's basically the wave count that we talked about before. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. This is one way of seeing it. In this scenario, we did say ideally the third wave goes to at least the 1.38, I think it was. Well, at the very least, we said 9.7 cents, but more ideally, the 1.38 extension at 10.4, that's exactly where we are right now. So it can always extend higher, okay, but this is one possible interpretation. In this wave count, we obviously are now in a diagonal pattern, leading diagonal, similar to ADA, for example, where also then at some point a fourth wave pullback should and could occur. Another way of looking at it is that we place the wave 2 here. That gives me a slightly different projection, different outlook. I would then say, let me just actually check something. Oh, I would actually, I think, if we already, so I would have to work with a so-called truncation. Absolutely not reliable. I can do that in, exceptional circumstances. It's just a possibility I want to share with you. And it would indicate that the wave 1 started here. We topped here in a small 1. Then we had a small 2. But you already see there isn't much of a difference in the count. However, this could count as an impulse, okay? So that's the difference from a diagonal. This could be an impulsive wave pattern. And basically in this wave count, the price is moving up more aggressively. And we're now in a third wave like this. So, and I need to extend that actually a little higher, because if this is the case, then we're dealing here in the third wave with another 1-2 setup. So this was another wave 1 basically here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would do something like this. Actually, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, sorry. This one, this one needs to sit a little higher. This one needs to sit here. The 2 does sit here at this low of the 14th of November. And then we have another small 1, 2. Yeah, okay. And we're basically now, this could have topped in the 3 already, done the 4, and we're now in the 5th wave of circle wave 3. It's just something to pay attention to, this wave count. Question remains, where should this top? So if this is an impulsive price movement, then what needs to happen is we need to measure the 50% retracement of the current third wave. That gives us micro support, okay? So that means I can really only assume that a top has formed here in any way if the 8.6 cent level is broken to the downside. Until then, this should extend higher in the third wave, okay? So that's the direct, very directly bullish wave count. Do I know which one it is? Is it the diagonal or the impulse? I don't really know, obviously, at this stage. We only have 3 waves up, but if we extend way above the... If we extend way above, let me see which level that was. If we extend way above the 11.8 cent level, the 1.618 extension, then I have to assume that we're going up directly here in this impulse, okay? Is there a bearish scenario? Absolutely. We can also highlight this still as an unfolding 1-2 setup to the downside. That would be very bearish though, and could send the price down lower. Still possible, technically, absolutely. It's not a great chart here anyway because of the truncation, so it needs extended proof and everything. But yeah, we can assume, or we can watch at least for a further impulse potentially. I think it might take a few days to get some clarity if this is an impulse or a diagonal. But either way, first of all, in the very short term, against the 8.6 cent level, the short-term focus can remain on higher. If we break below that level, well, then we have to use the last swing low because that's the invalidation point, okay? And that's at 7 cents. Yeah, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.